In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a background video onto your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to boost your site's visual appeal or want to make a dynamic first impression, incorporating a video background can be a game changer for your web presence. Let's dive right in with the first step. You'll need to head over to Squarespace. Simply type squarespace.com into your browser and hit enter. This will take you to their homepage, which is the starting point for our journey today. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page, a gateway to accessing your Squarespace account and the wonderful things you can do within it. Now, you'll see several options for logging in. For simplicity and convenience, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account for quicker access, streamlining the process. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure you select the account associated with your Squarespace site. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here is a list of all the websites you manage. Click on the specific website you wish to add a background video to. This action takes us one step closer to our main goal. Now let's get into the editor mode where the magic happens. You can go to the edit section directly from your dashboard or by visiting the specific URL provided in our written guide or underneath this video. It's a direct link to your site's editor. Within the editor interface, look for the Edit section button. It might vary slightly in location based on the template you're using, but it's generally visible towards the top or bottom of the section you wish to edit. After clicking on Edit section, scout for the background button in the sidebar that appears. This button will take you to the background settings of the selected section. Here you have various options to customize the background, but today we focus on video. Once you're in the background menu, click on the Video tab. This action will present you with a new set of video related options. Next, click on Add a Video. This is your gateway to adding dynamic content to your page. You'll be prompted to choose from uploading a video, linking to a video, or selecting from previously uploaded content. For ease of use and efficiency, click on ADD from Link. This option allows you to use videos hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, which can save you on bandwidth and storage space on your Squarespace account. Here comes a crucial step typing in your link. Paste the URL of the video you wish to use as your background in the provided field. Ensure it's a public video or one that you have the rights to use on your site. After entering the link, confirm by clicking on Add. The system will then fetch the video and provide a preview. If everything looks good and the video is exactly how you want it to appear on your website, the next and final step is to click on Save. This action applies the video background to the selected section and updates your website with this new aesthetic feature. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background video to your Squarespace website. Remember, the key to a great background video is choosing content that enhances your site's message without distracting your visitors. Keep it relevant, engaging, and ensure it aligns with your site's overall theme and purpose. This quick tweak can significantly enhance your website's aesthetic appeal, capturing your visitors' attention right from the get-go. Feel free to experiment with different videos until you find the perfect match for your site. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. For more tips and tricks on improving your website and mastering Squarespace, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay creative and see you in the next video.